this alliance between the Philippines and the United States, which faced its greatest test during the Second World War, and which continues to shape regional security cooperation in the region. There was once a conversation I had, and the American person I was speaking with was surprised. What? The Philippines was in the Second World War? Okay. Somebody didn't listen to their history lessons in high school. So the films that we will be watching offer powerful and timely reflection on pivotal periods in the history of the Philippines, highlighting both the immense sacrifices made and the enduring resilience of the Filipino spirit. We often use books and archives to learn about histories, but films offer unique and powerful ways to engage with the past. It allows us to gain perspective, to find inspiration, to gain deeper understanding, and to draw crucial lessons that will allow us to tackle modern-day issues. Honor the legacy of Jose Abal Santos delves into the life and unwavering patriotism of the Chief Justice of the Philippines Supreme Court at the time of the outbreak of the Second World War. Chief Justice Jose Abal Santos was a remarkable figure in our history who embodied the principles of honor and integrity. His story, woven together through interviews with descendants, historians, and personal accounts, showcases his defiance against the Japanese occupation and the ultimate sacrifice he made during one of the darkest periods of Philippine history. His courageous decision to choose loyalty to the nation over his own life, telling his son, "Don't cry, Pepito. Show to these people that you are brave. It is an honor to die for one's country." Those words stand as an inspiring testament to his unwavering convictions. Following that, we will witness Children of War, a documentary that provides a harrowing account of the Battle of Manila in 1945. The film recounts the experiences of 7 survivors who were children and teenagers during the conflict as they endured the devastation and brutality of that time. Their vivid memories serve as a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the long journey of healing in the aftermath of conflict. It is also a powerful reminder for all of us who are living in the here and now of the lasting impact of war and the importance of remembering these stories and understanding the true costs of war so that younger generations will choose to build a world which is a haven for peace. For the Filipinos here present, this evening's event is more than just film screening. It is an opportunity for reflection, a chance to learn from the past, and a celebration of the courage and resilience of our people. These films remind us of the sacrifices made for the freedom that we now enjoy and the importance of upholding the values that define us as a nation: freedom, democracy, and lasting peace. We hope that we will be able to relate to these powerful stories that we will see on the screen, that we will reflect on the lessons they offer, and that we will be inspired to act towards creating a more peaceful world for all, starting with ourselves, with our family, and with the community we live in. In closing, allow me to thank our partner for this event, the Philippine World War II Memorial Foundation, for this opportunity to show these films here in New York. We would also like to thank our kababayan, Ms. Jennifer Arellano of Arellano Pandesal. I'm plugging here. You enjoyed it downstairs. because they provided us this Filipino breakfast staple, the Filipino bread roll, that has also found its way to merienda in the afternoon. They have a website. It's called pandesal.nyc. So enjoy the documentaries, and thank you for attending. I just have one additional announcement, and that is we have no fire drill scheduled at this time. So if you hear anything, those are the exits. Thank you again for being here tonight, and we leave.
Abad Santos.
War veterans of the Philippines.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Good evening. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to see a good turnout. I was just at Chicago Conjet for the last Saturday. We also screened to the Filipino community there. So on behalf of our foundation, the Philippine World War II Memorial Foundation in Memorare, Manila, 1945, I sincerely thank you for spending, this is what, Tuesday night? No? But you're all here. Thank you so much. And so I'll just give a brief introduction of the first movie, Honor. It's about the life and legacy of Chief Justice Jose Abad Santos. So he was the highest government official ever executed by the Japanese for refusing to collaborate with invading forces. He was interrogated for 3 long weeks, relentlessly. Any one of us would have broken, in that 3 weeks of captivity. But he was not a soldier, but he soldiered on. And when he passed away, Quezon was here in the U.S. and he mourned the death of Jose Abad Santos, and he said he was one of the purest, ablest, and noblest persons we ever had in government. So he served the government for 33 long years, very morally upright, and with a sterling record for that matter. I won't go into detail. Few stories are as inspiring, so I hope you sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.